My name's Morgan Wick, and I'm the curator of the Historic Maystringer House Museum. We are a nonprofit, all volunteer run. From, the board members down to, the docents that give the tours. So we spend our lives here. We invest our time, and for us it's just a labor of love. We don't receive any of this outside funding that some of the other organizations do here. We had a small amount in our cash reserves. We knew, we've been talking about it for years. Yeah. We knew we were at a critical point, that we needed to at least check the piers, have everything stabilized that could be, repair what we could, and then we had to take out a loan. The only source of income for us is the day tours, the events, that's it. And the ghost tours, we have no grants, no outside funding at all. So all of these events coming up will help, but we're looking at well over $100,000 worth of repairs when we're all said and done. Primarily, we were looking at just doing the stabilization, and we knew that there would be some type of damage as a result of that, but not this extent. Yeah. We didn't realize that so much of the plaster would be coming down, and that's the next step. Once we can get the house stabilized, and we know that the house isn't going anywhere, it's been here for 160 plus years. And once we can at least get it stabilized, and it'll last another 200 or so.
This has always been my goal for the workshop, is we have to charge people, but the goal is to make enough money to give back to your project.
Would be fabulous.
So that after the expenses are paid,
right.
Whatever we have left over, we'd like to donate.
Well,
to help you, with the loan and with other future expenses.
That would be wonderful, wonderful.